Hello, my name is Michael. I'm from Abelia Garden Maintenance Landscaping. We're based in Tullamarine. Our boss does a lot of work for the Wright Family Homes. Normally comes out and does all the measuring, gets all the numbers ready to work out rough quantities. Because we've got 3 people here today, we had to break all our deliveries up. With the front, we broke it up into 2 days. So the good thing about Epsom Sand Soil is they get our product on time and when we need it, and they're always dropping it where we wanted it. Small pebble, river stone. Behind that is a bigger version of the toppings, 40 to 50 mil thick of rock. Behind that is we've got a layer of crushed rock, and then we've got crushed dust, which is like a fine dust that will compact and get solid as a solid base. Epsom Sand Soil helps with the job and makes it run smooth for us.